Question number 4. Question number 4, the topic is transpiration. So it's important that you read the introduction to explain this. Okay, after several hours of being put in a solution of blue dye, then a thin cross section was cut at the upper stem, and it was found to be blue. So here, some of you asked for the question, explain the effect of decreasing humidity on the rate of transpiration. So the 2 marks go to 1 where they didn't say what the effect was. You need to describe the effect. Okay, and number 2, explain. So let's do a bit of revision for transpiration and humidity. Okay, humidity is basically the amount of water vapor in the air. Okay, and I think you're familiar with this. This is a leaf in high humidity. This is inside the leaf. Okay, these are the water vapor in aerial spaces. Okay, this is the stoma, and this is the atmosphere. So I've drawn 2 scenarios. One where there's a lot of water vapor in the atmosphere, and one that has lesser. So if I compare the 2, the one on the right has lower humidity. So what this will affect would be the rate of transpiration. So if I were to look at transpiration means the loss of water vapor from the aerial parts of the root out. Now, at high humidity, okay, the water concentration gradient is low because the difference between inside and outside is not very much. So because the water concentration is low, the rate of transpiration is lower, indicated by the one arrow here. Whereas when you decrease the humidity outside, that means you lower the number of water vapor outside in the atmosphere, then the difference will be high. And therefore, because the water concentration gradient is higher, here the difference here between here and here, then here is higher, then the rate of transpiration is also higher. Okay, so this affects the diffusion rate. Okay, this one affects rate of diffusion from the stoma. If there is low water concentration gradient, that means this one will be slow, this one will be fast. Okay, if it's high concentration gradient, this one will be fast. So that's the reason why when you have a decrease in humidity, you increase the water concentration gradient, you increase the rate of diffusion, and therefore you increase the rate of transpiration.